So I don't know about where you live, but where I live, there are so many people who hold their phone and talk in speaker mode in crowded places, in their car, going down the road. It's such a weird phenomenon to me. I mean, I guess I can't expect everybody to run off and get Bluetooth, but, you know, or earbuds. And, you know, Apple did. That is how you record. Alright. Alright. So, there's a phenomenon that happens around here where people talk on their phones like this, and they have their phone on speaker phone and they're having conversations. I don't understand that. People do it walking down the street, in stores, in their car. I don't understand that, but my state is implementing a hands-free law September 1st, so it should be interesting to see what happens. Right, you doing what you did. I see what you did. Anyway, well, sometimes when the brain goes empty. Yes. Yeah. That's what happens when the brain goes empty. I was gonna tell you about something. It's like, oh, I gotta tell you about this. And then I forgot what it was. I've been putting trailers on my videos to get people hyped up. Yeah, I'm so excited. There's gonna be a video tomorrow night. Yeah, watch it. So, to do like, you know, an advertisement for my video. It's just something you can do, right? So, yeah. Anyway, I got nothing. I gave you a whole speech. You missed it. I gave you a whole speech, and then my camera turned off. I don't know why. I don't know why it turned off, but it did. So, the coherent, complete thoughts I had are now gone. They are. They're gone. So, yeah. That's what happens. Barbecue chicken wings and veggie lasagna. Life is like that sometimes. Times. It was a tricky day. I couldn't get everything I needed done that I needed done. One for lack of trying. Then we had some weird anomalies here at the end of the day. But they're better now. I got some explaining to do to figure out why. Alright. Well, you have a great day. I hope you had a great day. I had a good day. It wasn't a great day, but it was a good day.